This 2024 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 235RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 27 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, water heater, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, microwave, awning, skylight, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Chaparral Lite 235RK is 7,009 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.